Okay. Good afternoon po sa ating back members. Back PWG for civil works. Leaders. Yeah. Welcome to our pre-bid conference for the 17th Public Bidding CY 2026. Steel publication for CY 2026 scheduled on June 23. Let me remind everyone that for contracts to be bid with an ABC of 3 million or more, the BAC shall convene at least one pre-bid conference to clarify, explain any of the requirements, terms, conditions, and specifications stipulated in the bidding documents. For contracts to be bid with an ABC of less than 3 million, pre-bid conference may be conducted at the discretion of the BAC. In our case, we always include in our pre-bid conference contract to be bid with an ABC of less than 3 million pesos. Based on the copies of the document, we have the invitation to bid, which has been posted at the PhilGEPS, the Province of Rizal website, and the bulletin board located at the lobby of the Provincial Capitol Building for 4 days starting June 4, 2026 until June 10, 2026. The invitation to bid consists of 4 provincial infrastructure projects. BAC Secretariat, are there any prospective bidder who signified their intention to attend this pre-bid conference?
There are none, Mr. Chairperson.
Okay, if there are none, let us proceed with our agenda for this pre-bid conference.
Hello. Hello.
Asan siya? Pwede tawagin itong technical working group. Sabi ko, tawagan lang sa telepono. Hindi na ba?
Okay.
Let me remind everybody, including our prospective bidders, that our bidding process is through envelope system. The first envelope contains the eligibility and technical requirements, while the contents of the second envelope are the financial documents. The eligibility of prospective bidders shall be determined using simple pass-fail criteria and shall be determined as either eligible or ineligible. If the prospective bidder is rated pass for all the above requirements, he shall be considered eligible. If the prospective bidder is rated fail in any of the above requirements, he shall be considered ineligible. The details of the project. Number 1, project construction of Provincial Prosecutor's Office Extension Building at Rizal Provincial Jail Compound, Barangay Dolores, Taytay, Rizal. Major item of works, concrete works, rebar works, formworks, architectural works, electrical works, electronic works, mechanical works. Approved budget for the contract is 32,570,518 and 76 centavos. Duration is 260 calendar days. Number 2 project, construction of crematorium at San Isidro Public Cemetery, Barangay San Isidro, Montalban, Rizal. Major item of works, structural works, architectural and electrical works. Approved budget for the contract is 9,265,768.87 centavos. Duration is 180 calendar days. Number 3 project, construction of road with slope protection at Taytay, Angola, Binangonan Diversion Road. Binangonan section, phase 3. Major item of works, embankment from Barrow, hand-laid rock embankment, structural concrete, 3,500 PSI, ready-mix, structural steel sheet piles, furnish. Approved budget for the contract is 353,408,275 centavos. Duration is 700 calendar days. Number 4 project, construction of road with slope protection, Taytay, Angola, Binangonan Diversion Road, Binangonan section, phase 4. Major items of works, embankment from Barrow, hand-laid rock embankment, structural concrete, 3,500 PSI, ready-mix, structural steel sheet pile furnish. Approved budget for the contract, ABC is 408,030,823 pesos and 77 centavos. Duration is 940 calendar days. Since wala tayong leader, sa back, meron ba tayong question to discuss? The body, any questions from the body regarding the requirements and scope of works of the project? Nan, wala na po. Wala naman tayong leader na magtatanong sa atin. Okay lang po ba? I-join na natin. Since 125. Okay lang po i-join na natin. Okay, I repeat South Georgia.